Hey guys, so this is an excerpt from a pre-production video we did with Bobby Owsinski, and I asked him the question, hey, so what's the process for looking for new tones when you're doing the pre-production with a band? Do you go rent out equipment? And this is what he answered. I thought it was really interesting.
It's always better if you can vary the sounds up, especially with guitars, because it's so hard to make the same sound work when you have a bunch of parts going on.
Yeah.
You can do it, but it's just a lot of work.
Mhm.
So it's better if you change pickup settings, guitars, amplifiers, all of the above.
Yeah.
Where you're playing on the neck, all that stuff. I've been with some obstinate players that would say, "This is my sound. This is all I'm going to use." And then went to track 5 different guitar parts. It sounds like mush because it's the same frequency. So that makes it difficult. Um, Again, most guitar players are kind of hip anymore. They don't do it like that. It's usually the younger ones that don't know. But yeah, that's one of the things in pre-production already we'll begin to think about. And I'll say to everybody, what else do you got? What do you hear? Do you hear other parts? And younger players don't hear additional parts, generally speaking. They don't hear the arrangement as much. Studio-wise players will have it kind of all in their head, and really good songwriters, they just know it's all there.
They can just give you more if
Yeah,
you
yeah,
ask for it.
too much so, because good songwriters sometimes have too many ideas.
Yeah.
So it's then figuring out which ones don't work or just make it different instead of better. Yeah.
Do you want to watch the whole video? Then go to prostudiolive.com and get the 7-day free trial.